Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix motorcycle insurance with Progressive easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Progressive website. Locate the motorcycle insurance section on the homepage. Click on Get a Quote to begin the process. Enter your zip code when prompted. Select the type of motorcycle you have from the provided options. Fill in the necessary details about your motorcycle, including the make, model, and year. Provide information about your riding experience and any safety courses completed. Indicate how you primarily use the motorcycle, whether for pleasure, commuting, or other purposes. Choose the coverage options that best suit your needs. Consider options like liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Review any additional features or discounts that may apply to your policy. Once you've customized your policy, click on See My Quote. Review the quote summary presented on the screen. If satisfied, proceed to enter your personal information, such as your name, address, and contact details. Next, provide your payment information to finalize the process. Review all details carefully before submitting your application. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email with your policy details. Ensure that you keep this email for your records. If you have questions, reach out to Progressive's customer service for assistance. Congratulations, you're now ready to ride with your new motorcycle insurance from Progressive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.